Hi guys, welcome back to the channel for another quick video. Today I thought we'd do a bit more of an in-depth walk around on the brand new 2021 BMW S1000Rr in Hockenheim silver. So my last video obviously was the reveal of the bike for you guys, and today I'm just going to give you a bit of a walk around and show you little parts on the bike which make this bike just stand out from the rest, and also why I chose this bike over the Ducati and a few other brands that I was thinking about. Alright, let's take a look. Alright, so here she is, looking absolutely stunning. It's such a nice color in person. I think on video it doesn't really come out as well, but it's just absolutely stunning in person, guys. This color just looks amazing. You would have seen this on the BMW M2 cars, the competition. The Hockenheim silver is one of the options on that car, which I think it looks absolutely mega. Alright, so we'll start with like the rear of the bike here and the styling. Obviously the way these lights run, there's no rear tail light as such, it's all built in to these lights here, and I think it just makes the rear look really unique. No other bike has that, and it just looks awesome. I'll switch it on in a minute and show you guys. Nice little BMW logo. It's finished really well, and it's actually not too big as well, so I don't think I'm going to be replacing that yet. There's a custom number plate coming, but yeah, I think it looks great. The frame, look at this frame in this gold sort of color, just complements the bike so well. This is obviously the sport version, so here in Australia there's the standard model which no one gets, there's the sport, there's a race, and obviously the M package. I was going to get the race package with this color, and that gives you the M sort of forged wheels. These aren't the forged, these are just the normal cast wheels, but I think these look fantastic still, and for what I'm using the bike for, I don't really need that kilo or two savings. I don't think it's even a kilo. And you also get the lighter battery, the lithium ion battery, but again, don't really need that. What else are some of the other good features on this bike? Obviously now they've gone to Hayes brakes, which is a bit of a talking point. They're not using Brembos anymore, but these are absolutely amazing. I don't think you need Brembos on this. I think these actually work better. Now let's make our way over to the dash. Let me just switch this on for you. Now look at that, guys. Look at that dash. Love the startup. I think best looking dash you can buy. BMW done an awesome job here. I'm not going to go into the modes and everything like that, because that'll take me all day. But there's heaps of different information, different screens, different modes. Got the Race Pro modes. You know, I'll go through that eventually, but not today, guys. But yeah, just wanted to show you that. Looks awesome. Yeah, I just want to talk a little bit about obviously the styling of this bike. I think this one looks, I love the front end on this new model. I think they've done a great job making it symmetrical now. Doesn't have that ugly, I wasn't a big fan of the, you know, how it had the other light up here. Now they've got the beautiful LED, and they look fantastic when they're on as well. Symmetrical lights. Let's just switch them on. Look at that. What a fantastic looking bike. Oh, love. Let's jump around the rear. Have a look. All built in. LED. Looks fantastic. So yeah, guys, I'm absolutely thrilled about this bike, guys. I can't tell you how happy I am. Some of the reasons why I got this bike over the other bikes. Firstly, the looks on this bike. I just think this bike looks fantastic. I think it looks better than Ducatis and Aprilias and all the rest of it. Technology wise, it's another world as well. I think they've really upped the game in technology, which is one of the reasons as well that I went for this bike. Now my next video on Thursday is going to be my first impressions video, guys, so stay tuned for that video. That'll drop Thursday night. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.